daily?
How what?
How you feeling in the daily? Oh,
I'm feeling good. Cheryl, Daisy! My team triple, let's go. My team triple, let's go. So where you going today, Britt?
I may go outside today to get something to eat, and that's it.
Okay.
Mm.
Team, use up a triple. Cheryl, thank you so much, my darling. Everybody, power tap. Everybody, power tap. If you're there for the first time, make sure you follow me. Wait, there might be a side, Britt.
Yeah.
When I come down, we can go up on a date.
Where you from, Monday?
Nah, I'm from Kingston, but I may land in Montego Bay when I come down.
Oh, we'll see when you come, man.
Alright.
I'm gonna follow you in the meantime. I'm gonna just
Yeah, make sure you follow me.
stay in touch. Yeah.
Oh, are your new page this?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you need anything, just let me know so I can bring it down, alright?
Just two Irish friends.
Irish Spring. You like the pear soup?
No, when you say pear soup, it remind me of what Bussard said.
Oh. Oh yeah, I eat me use right through, you know.
Yeah.
We should have different flavors and you know what I mean? One OB! You know it thing go. But yeah, but I think you should visit here. You know, I think you'd have a good time. You like being cold?
I think I would have a good time as well. But good things come to those who wait. I just need to be patient.
Right. Sometimes you have to go for it though.
I'll get there.
Hello? There, I know. Oh, go on. Oh. I de, me de pa me live. Me soon call you back. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Daisy, as a match I done, man, we are go back in a story time. Let's go, my team. Push up a score, my team. My team, we can't get one money gun for the match done. 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 Kick! Kiki! Cheryl! My boss Cheryl is here, man. Thank you so much, Cheryl. Blanco, thank you so much. Alright, Britt, my soul come back here.
Alright.
Alright.
Guys, I am nervous about this daily thing. I'm so nervous. I don't know what to do, how to do, where to do. I don't really get this stuff yet because it's kind of hard. Yesterday I was number 20, 39. Today I'm not no number. I don't know. Mm. It's like I want to beg, but I'm not opening my mouth to beg because no way I should come on here looking so beautiful and beg. Don't look good. I can't come on here and beg today. Yeah. Fever poop. Okay. I don't really like that. That's so funny. Uh, Why, I don't understand. Somebody can teach me how to do this thing. Somebody help me, no man. Anybody what here want know about daily? Help me now. I don't really know about this thing. Who is here can come in the box and educate me? Come guys, I need some assistance. Somebody come in the box and tell me. I don't understand. Yeah, sometimes we have to tell each other we need help. I need some help in order to grow. I'm accepting the advice from who can tell us what to do to catch on. I don't know what to do. I see that's why I never want to go to America. I never want to go in there because I know I probably couldn't even manage over there. So now they fling winning out. You know, that choice. The weekly went just nice and cool for me. I know every day I just have to try to go for next day come to check your number. And I know with the pandemic, every day they change the gear and put it to something else. Boy, this thing is real. It's this thing is real. Somebody come and help me now, man. Come in our box and I request and I don't know who want come in, come help me. Help me now. See, they come in our box, come tell me what to do now, man. Come in our box, come tell me what to do. Hold on, let me see what they do.
Oh, you want help with?
Yeah, tell me how to go on the day, man. I don't worry, get this thing on New Year.
All right. When you ask for gifts, you see me, you have to always ask for gifts and you have to always
Come on,
talk.
your face
You
still
hear me? I
on
say,
the
enough
day.
time you come on the live and you just silent. That nah go work, Brit. You have to talk, you see me? We love enjoyment. If you have cuss out the pussy hole, you cuss them out.
No,
And
boy,
ask for
no, you
gifts
do
same
work
time, you see
talking.
me?
You know,
Yeah,
work
man.
talking. Remember, it's not
And you
deal.
see, mad hairstyle, it work for you still, so you can always wear mad hairstyle, you see me? But as me I say, you have to always ask for gift. Cause the fuck of them not send you know realize they just sit down and the fuck of them not send nothing.
Miss Brittany Golf.
Yeah, now you can. What the
After you,
advice? What I
after
need to do for
Miss
you?
Brittany Golf.
Yeah, what I
After you
advice?
tell me about my mother, you really put me up in your
See?
box.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
need
girl,
Yeah.
you come because you come off of your so good, girl. You come boy bumbo clad, girl, in idea.
yeah,
Yeah.
man, I'm a friend too.
Sorry.
I'm a friend too. Nah, listen, what you not good? Not to really make genuine violence. I'm a friend, dude. One of my friends. Jaden, come now, tell what to do to go on there.
No, me don't know say your friend, man, you see me? But they have this up, you will
Yeah,
pussy them. They can't this say no Brit,
yeah.
one
But,
bumbo clad Brit pan the app.
but when she ready, she angle me too. So,
This,
but
I
I'm
give
not
she
ready.
for blood class, you know. Give, you know, if you come up in a no
I
fucking box, you
remember
see
she said
anybody
that
when I give you run the fuck of them way. Tell them to go suck their mama.
no, I can't do that anymore.
Oh, alright, calm. 2025, it's true. Alright.
Remember, I want to live to see another day, so,
They can't, as me tell a Brit, I want Brit, you know. They can't do your thing, you see me? Add some days in the box and hear the advice still.
alright. Alright. Futuristic, somebody coming in to assist us. So we don't really know, everybody clueless, we don't really know, okay. You know, used to know this.
Add some days, cause some dog shit. I don't know them a fucking send request if they not gonna fucking talk.
What? I tried somebody's. Yes, I have to.
Brit.
windows. I don't know.
Brit,
Yeah. Nikki. Nikki.
You're hearing you continue. All
Brit,
the company, breathe,
Brit,
breathe.
I fake Jaden that day. I know Jaden that day, Brit.
Obviously, she know that shit. You think you done suck you look a slow girl. Come on, fire.
Brit, Brit, I idiot Jaden that day, Brit.
Ask for fucking advice and your company blood clot like about me. So good, girl.
Brit, I
Why
rang
she girl
Jaden.
ask for dark shit? Come off for your dirty blood clot back. I bet say me post up your fucking pictures. Back road employer December to pussy clot. Your fucking back road worker.
I fake
Go suck
Jaden
your
that day.
mama,
Jaden
suck
from
good girl.
Sheen that.
I want
Brit,
to come in here, your
Jaden from
fucking
Sheen
throat,
that.
dirty girl.
Brit, that's Jaden from Sheen. Brit, that's Jaden from Sheen, Brit. That's Jaden from Sheen.
I see the girl and I no sense. All you can say is Jaden from fucking Sheen. What else you can say, girl? Say something more.
Can you suck cock? Some of time to argue with suck cock. Your butty boy.
Alright, you done?
Brit,
Him brain now a fucking matches box, you know. Are two things you can say. Talk again.
suck hood.
It's not gonna work.
This is apart from that. This is that.
It's not gonna work. Ew. Yeah, some people are but
I hope they don't come by me, you know. We not give Brit blood clot advice and don't come by me.
Brit, a Jaden from Sheen that.
I don't know, we get some help here, so.
Brit, you have to get up and rank, darling. You have to get up and rank.
24, 25 minutes.
So you have to stand up and try to go on.
You have to go back to entertaining us and telling us the stories. We like when you tell us stories.
But one backy break what we know first time, we come and tell we one bag of story. And I like say you have to tell we a life story, you know, like things are personal. But you know, entertain, we tell we look at things, but sometimes you come and they look for me and we have to
Every
steer back
time I
on
tell
you.
my life story, they took my to take my thing.
Right, so if me say you can filter your words and so Brittany enough time you come over here and true we love you, you steer upon me and we just there you steer back on you, you know.
Yeah.
We don't want to no steering competition, Brittany. We don't want to no steering competition. We want to hear you talk. We love when you talk.
Yeah, and cook for we and them something there. Where is that Brit?
But every time I do that, they ban me.
No, no. Maybe if you just try filter your words them.
And Brit, sometimes you mustn't listen
Maybe
to
I
the
should start
negative
like
comments.
going
Don't
outside
listen to
and do
negative comments.
something.
Sometimes you ignore the negatives as well. It's not every comment you're supposed to
I
address.
remember we have a new mall, Arbor City.
Yeah,
Maybe
we
I
want
should
but the
go
Brit where we see
there.
Brit got beach and them something there. You know, if you put on a bad suit for them ban you, but go a beach and them something they take a nice little picture there. Remember say, you know, a you company app until we say everybody have them pose, you know. Where you pose them there? We not see your pose again and take picture.
Not true, but remember they take my account when I was doing that.
I believe for people account them take rates, but just not be skimpy. Just don't put on nothing too skimpy.
And Brit, you have to learn from
I
people
don't know
over
picture
and
now.
over when you're alive.